Dear student, today's topic is ionization enthalpy. Electron in atom attracted by positive charge nucleus remove an electron from an atom. Energy has to supply it. This energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom in its ground state known as ionization enthalpy. Symbolic is I dot E dot, expressed in units kilojoule per mole or electron volt eV per atom or kilocalorie per mole. 1 electron volt is equal to student 96.49 kilojoule per mole or 23.06 kilocalorie per mole. So the successive ionization enthalpies are the energy required to remove subsequent electrons from an atom in the gaseous state. First ionization enthalpy meant first electron is loose. For example, X lose the 1 electron, so the condition is X positive, it takes positive charge, and 1 electron is loose, it's IE1 means first ionization enthalpy. It means second ionization enthalpy when an cation is lose the second electron, X positive, when the 1 electron lapse, so X2 positive, it is known as a second ionization enthalpy. For in the case of magnesium, Mg2 positive. So ionization enthalpy are always positive. The smaller value of ionization enthalpy, the easier it is to remove the electron from the atom. Means if the two electrons has ionization enthalpy 100 and 200, so 100 is a highly reactive than 200. Factors governing ionization enthalpy. First one, size of atom. Depend upon the distance between the electrons and the nucleus. The attractive force between electrons and nucleus is inversely proportional to the distance between them, because F is equal to K Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. It becomes easier to remove the electrons. For big distance atom, ionization enthalpy decreases with increase in atomic size. Means if the size of atom is small, so it's very difficult to remove the electrons from their orbit. Student, the second factor is charge on the nucleus. Attractive force increases with increase in nuclear charge. Therefore, with increase in nuclear charge, it becomes more difficult to remove an electron and ionization enthalpy increases. Means if the nucleus affect the electrons, so they are difficult to remove the electron. For example, in alkali, the lithium and sodium. Lithium has greater effective nuclear charge, so difficult to remove the electron. Student, third factor is screening effect of the inner electrons. In multi-electrons atoms, the outermost electron are shielded or screened from the nucleus by the inner electrons. This is known as shielding or screening effect. As a result, outermost electron does not feel the full charge of atom. The actual charge filled by an electron is termed as effective nuclear charge. The ZF is the symbol. So total nuclear charge Z minus screening constant known as an increase in the number of inner electrons tends to decrease the ionization enthalpy. So screening effect is also effect to the ionization enthalpy. Fourth one is penetration effect of electrons. S is greater and Fe is smaller. If penetration power of the electron is more, it will be the closer to nucleus. Ionization enthalpy will be high for the same shell. The ionization enthalpy would be more to remove a electron than the energy required to remove a p electrons. Means which in turn will be more than that for the removal of d electron and so on. Means easy to remove the F subshell electron comparison than S, because S has greater penetration power. Student, fifth factor is electronic arrangement. Half-filled and completely filled cells have extra stability associated with them. For example, if the p orbital, so p3 is half-filled, so it is difficult to remove the electron. But in a p4 condition, the fourth electron is unpaired, so you can remove easily. The next is noble gases have the most stable electronic configuration, NS2 NP5. They have high ionization enthalpy. Second, elements like beryllium and magnesium have completely filled orbitals and their ionization enthalpy are high. Elements like nitrogen and phosphorus has half-filled state configuration stable, hence they need large energy to remove electrons. Means student, the half-filled and completely filled subcell difficult to remove the electrons. So point is variation of ionization enthalpy in the periodic table. Minimum alkali metals and maximum noble gases. Once alkali metals are reactive, remove electron easily, and noble gases are positive, higher ionization enthalpy, difficult to remove the electrons. Variation in a long period. Ionization enthalpy increases with increasing nuclear charge, atomic number, because atomic size decreases. Some irregularities also find this is due to the half-filled or completely filled configurations which have extra stability. So student, in a period, the first one has a lower ionization enthalpy, and when we period go down to right hand side has the most ionization enthalpy, means remove the electron is tough. If the element has half filled or completely filled in inert gas, so they are not remove the electrons. The trend in variation down a group gradually decrease due to nuclear charge increases and additional main energy shell increase in shielding effect. So student, in a group, the size are increased. So in a case of alkali metals, if we comparison lithium to the francium, so francium are reactive or cesium are reactive comparison than lithium. So cesium has electron easily removed, but lithium is not. So student, you have in display ionization enthalpy of some elements, kilojoule per mole you have seen. Lithium is 520.3 if we discuss about in a group, and cesium is 374.5. This means cesium has lower ionization enthalpy, remove electron is easily. If we discuss about the group third period, so sodium has 495.8, then student, the sulfur is 999.4, means sodium lose electron easily but sulfur is not. So student, the points is variation in successive ionization enthalpy, the energy required to remove subsequent electrons from the atom in the gaseous state. So student, always with the, for example, in a case the metal, first electron lose IE1, then M positive IE2, then the third electron is less is IE3. In a symbolic condition you have seen. So these are some NCERT questions. These are based 3.14, 3.15, 3.16, 3.17, 3.18, 3.19. Student, these are totally based on this topic. Thank you very much.